Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share a quick update on the CESS Airdrop. If you visit the X account, you can see they recently opened withdrawals on the Bitget exchange. You can withdraw with zero gas fee. Remember, you can withdraw the tokens before June 24, so don't miss this. Let's move on and see how you can withdraw your tokens. First, you need to open the CESS dashboard and log into your account. Here, I log in using my X account. On the dashboard, you can see the total points I already claimed. That's why it's not showing. Click on the wallet section and here you will see your tokens. To withdraw your tokens, click on pre-deposit on Bitget. Then you need to enter your UID. For that, go to Bitget, copy your UID and paste it here. Now you need to paste your CESS deposit address. Go to Bitget, click on deposit. And in the search bar, type CSS, select it. And in the network section, choose BAP20 by default. You will see the address, copy it and paste it here. Then click on pre-deposit and verify and it's done. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. In the pinned message, you will find a list of all the airdrops I am personally farming. The link is in the description, so check it out. To support our channel, you can like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.